Hey YouTubers, welcome to Southwest Desert Farming. I'm Michael and here's Stacy, and we'd like to give a shout out to our favorite sweet pea. Hey Lauren, we're out here today doing a little bit of gravel work. Let me turn and see, we gotta get some stuff in here to park some cars using our handy dandy little tractor. Hang on, we'll get a different view. As you can see, we have had to be creative. That's usually where I park the trailer, but since we don't have ramps for it, I got a set up to where we just back into here, get our gravel out with the tractor, do our turnaround, and get it done. So thank you again for visiting. Little at a time, that's what we got to do. I have to get you a video on specifically what we actually farm here, or what we did farm here this last year. But anyways, right now for sure it's pistachios and some pecans. Anyways, until next time, thank you for visiting, and leave some comments, suggestions. I'm always open to suggestions. Keep it clean. Love you all. Take care. Bye.